Hi, Judd here, back with the Camry and the Honda. First with the Camry, I rebuilt that grille as I told you and succeeded in securing it into place without breaking it. That's held very nicely and this is good and solid in there now. I did put a washer under here to take up that extra space, and there's the center one, and as you can see it's good and solid there. I can shake the whole car with it, so very happy with that. So that's a done deal on that. Of course the whole car might be going to the junkyard, so who knows. Now as to the Honda, the last thing we did was put some epoxy on it, seal it up, and I decided I wanted to put a sealant around this before I put the rubber back on. To wit, I have bought some Permatex black adhesive silicone RTV sealant with a little cap that'll allow me to put down a nice bead along the edge here, or the corner of the lip, and then seal that up. I suspect from the resistance when I pulled this off that there might have been a seal there to begin with. Also, I saw signs of remnants of a seal over here, so maybe that was supposed to be sealed all along. That might have been part of the problem. In any case, we're going to seal it and see if that solves the problem. I can choose any size bead I want. I'm going to start with here. Oh, this is thick stuff. Oh, I also want to put on a glove. Boy, this is really thick. This is very, very hard to extrude. Not at all like caulk. Ooh. Wow. Now, man, I'm thinking maybe this stuff's gone bad. Wow. That takes something to get that out of there. I can barely squeeze this tube. It's so thick. Okay, that looks pretty good. So there you can see my bead. Okay, and now I will squish the rubber down onto that and hopefully get this all taken care of. Really has a bump there. That's just bad design right there. Okay, that should be that for that. Happy day to you.